Again, let me talk in this video about how we could upload our application to Google Store. So I would select one of the projects that we already developed. Let me select, for now I would select the application for Notepad application. So Kotlin Udemy, Android, Notepad application. I select this application. I want to upload this application to the store. First of all, I have to make sure that I have Google Play developer account. So I have to go here and search for Google Play Console. Okay, and in Google Play Console I would see this website for Google Play, which is this one. If you are new, you don't have account, he will ask you to create account. You enter your visa, he take $25 and you open account for you. I already have account, I already my application published here. So yes, so to create a new application, just click here, create application, give it a name. Let me give it Notepad App. Okay, this is my application. Give it language English. You could add more than one language, that's totally fine, but default language I select English. I select create. After I create, he will create this project for me. He asked me to add details and he asked me all the information about the application. The part that I'm interested in now, that app release. So I will click here and try to add a release. If you see, I could add different release, alpha, beta, production. Alpha, beta just for some people want to test and check it or whatever. You know what alpha, beta, I mean you trial, whatever. But the one I needed, production. If you see here, I click on manage production. I click on create release to create a new release. So now here, I could say, here, they change it a little bit. So I say, Google Play success secure. I say enroll, and I say accept. This is just something new they added. So now I could upload APK. So now he asked me to upload the APK. From where could I get APK? I could get it from my application. So after I open my application, I could convert it to APK by going to the build menu, and from build menu, I would select something, name it generate signed APK. I click on it, then I select here next. From here, I will create my key. So I click create key. Let me name it Note. This is the path for it. So select the path where you want to save it. Make sure always save it in the secure path, because you need it whenever you want to do update to the application. So I name it Note key. As I told you, make sure this key is saved. Otherwise, if you miss this key, you cannot do update to your application again. You miss everything. Give it a password, whatever password that you want. Okay, give it the key name. Let me give it Note. Any name you could give it. It is up to you. I give it Note, for example. Again, this password. Again, give it a password. This is some additional information, like for how long you want this key to be valid. Like 25 years, 26 years. Your first name, let me know my name is Hussein. My organization, I don't have organization. This other information, if you want to enter them, enter them. If you don't want, up to you. So make sure you always remember the key and the password and this file. After I do, I select hey, create for me. He will create file for me. If you see, he just create this file for me. If you have a file already, you just click here and you load it. See, this is my key. Make sure save it in a secure place again, because you need it. So then I click next. Then from here, I would select V1 JR signature to add signature to your add your developer signature to your Java code. Just try to prevent and somehow the risk in the process, but don't be happy, the risk still could happen, but this is a little bit good. So there is two things. You could click on app analyze or app. If you click on app, he will take you to the folder of your application. Here on release, you will see your release. This is your release. This is the .apk that you could upload it to the store. If I just take it, drag and drop it, he will take some time until he will be able to upload the APK to the store. So let you wait and see. Here we go. He just uploaded. So now I have the APK uploaded. If she say this is completed, so go to her part by part. Like for example, application listing. You just give it some description, some little description. This is all the required thing. The picture about your application and all these things. You complete them. The context writing also. You have to add check on the front of them. Like for example, context writing, you add your email address and all the details about your application. Distribution, do you want it to free, to pay it? For example, I want it to be free in all countries. Whatever you want to do with your application, do it. Which country you want it to be active, you agree on everything. So after you add this check mark to be enabled on front all these, there is something named publish will be enabled here. You just click on it to publish your application to the store. So here we're done. Thank you for watching.